A lot of the conversations that I've been having with clients in the coaching program has revolved around this sort of notion when it comes to marketing that I don't want to disturb people. Now, I'm sure that many of us can relate to this because why would we want to disturb people, right? And it's quite a limiting belief if you view it that way. And what I want to talk to you about now is just reframing that concept of I don't want to disturb people to people actually want to follow somebody who they know, like, and trust. And when you're that person, you're not disturbing them at all. You're showing up at the right time. You're often showing up before they need you, and you're helping guide them on the journey. So, whatever that outcome is that you and your business can help them achieve, that is the journey that you're wanting to find people who are going on that journey and who want to get to that outcome, because those are the people that are crying out for someone to lead the way and guide them through it. And when you think about it, and this is stuff that I've been talking through today in my coaching program, you don't need a lot of people. Like most people in my coaching program, if they had a dozen new clients, then that's a complete game changer for their business. Now, I'm talking typically professional services and high value engagements, but a dozen new clients is a game changer for most people, and you don't need a lot of people to achieve this. Now, if we think about it, there's a certain number of people that need to know who we are, and currently they might be strangers, so we need to introduce ourselves to them so that they know us. Then we just need to nurture them through this know, like, and trust process. And of course, some of the people that you introduce yourself to, you're not going to necessarily gel with, or they're not going to like you, or they're not going to be aligned to your core values. That's okay. But there is going to be a lot of people who are, and they move into this like phase. And then some of them over time are going to trust you because you've been there holding their hand through the journey. And then, of course, some of them are going to want your actual help and will engage you at the end of the day. So to get the dream dozen clients, we're not talking about having tens of thousands of connections. We're not talking about being an influencer and putting your face all over social media and running all these ads and all this kind of stuff. We're looking to find people that are going on this journey who want the outcome that you can help them achieve. And we just need to find a few hundred people like that, because as they go through this journey, they're going to get to know, like, and trust you, and they will become your clients. So folks, I hope that was useful. I'm talking about this more and more in terms of being a process to get your dream dozen. If a dozen new clients would be a game changer for your business, pay attention to the material that I'll be putting out more and more. And if you'd like a hand with that, reach out and let me know. Cheers.